I'm using AI agents to turbocharge my stock research process. Let me show you how. Here I have 15 small cap names. The nice thing about these smaller companies is that they tend to fly underneath the radar. The downside is that these are going to be less well-known companies requiring more research up front. That's where large language models, in particular AI agents, can be helpful. What I have here is I have an automation that's set up, and when I activate it by clicking on these checkboxes, I'm going to be sending a message to my AI agent to do some research on each one of these names. I'm going to trigger that job, and I'm going to go get another cup of coffee, and we're going to check in on the work of our AI agents. And we are back after a few minutes. This is what our AI agents have for us. Number one is we have a high-level summary for each one of these stocks. And if I were to click into one of these pages, I would get some more information like competitors, products and services, the management team, and links to the investor page so I can do some more research and some recent news that might have been positive or negative. And I have this for each one of the companies that I am considering adding to the portfolio. Now, had I done this on my own, this would have taken me a long time to do, but these AI agents went out and did that while I was getting my cup of coffee. That's pretty cool. I'm leveraging a couple of tools to put this together. Notion, that serves as my front end and where I'm keeping the data. Pipedream, that is my orchestration tool. But the brains of the operation are the AI research agents from Respell. Respell is a no-code platform that allows you to put together custom AI workflows. AI agents have the potential to change how we use large language models, and I'm excited about it. I wanted to talk to an expert, so I reached out to an engineer over at Respell to learn more about these concepts.
AI agents are essentially workflows that act autonomously. And I feel like it's like the next unlock in this whole progression of AI, because instead of instructing the AI on what to do and how to do it, it's able to use all the knowledge that it has, everything it's been trained on, to go ahead and achieve the objective. For example, recently we built this phone call agent, which all you have to do is input an objective and a phone number, and it'll figure out whether it needs to wait on hold or talk to an operator or whatever it needs to do to achieve the goal, and then come back to you with the answer. Instead of saying, if you want to talk to the operator, press 0 or press 2 for English or something else. It acts autonomously and is able to figure it out. So I think that's like really the next unlock into getting into like more intelligent AI.
Expect to see a lot more about AI agents, another great way for us to interact with large language models. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. If you want to try out Notion, Pipedream, and of course Respell, I have links to those below as well. Thanks, and talk to you soon.